आने को रखो
Thank you, sir. I would also like to request Reverend Sena Lekte, Property and Development Officer of NKPA. Thank you, sir. I would like to take this privilege to introduce Mr. James Hansen, social worker. I'd like to request our servant, please, stand for a while.
9706 38259.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to take this privilege to introduce Mr. Samuel Kakri, President, West Town Baptist Church, Youth Department. Thank you so much. I would like to introduce our brother, Mr. Dhiraj Dibusa, the President of the Masters Union. Please stand for a while. I would also like to take this privilege to introduce Mr. Kogen Teran, social worker. Please stand for a while.
Peace for time, unit to tinda kalido. everyone needs peace and everyone have a hunger of peace. But we cannot attain peace. Itu ningkang samnong ni. Dabang so ningkang sam kelong dia ham ni tung athara tung ke kinam. Athara tung ke ni labang so lunar dite ning sam ji malo. Athara tung ni la so hormon nam dete ni ning sam nong ji malo. Ni labang so gari ari pik so gari nam dete ni ning sam ji malo. Jula so ningkang sam ari phan tangka ta chewar si da son ningkang sam phan kinam son da do. Kaya ako nila guardian lo ningkang samong le ne nani si tulambo nani guardi nani dali to nani ningkang samong si mo julo son ani mata lasi
he alo kada ningkang samong ni ato ni tekno alo ang soposi Yesu Kristo na ang sopo ke na tama tekno tapi alo ni nan tikulo I am the prince of peace ne hello ningkang sa arejo ka ningkang sa rejo sopo kasi pinili sabi, ngayon ito ba porte? Kasi pini, ilan ito ba halo? Ngayon ini pramdong ka, ilim ito ba porte? It's a story bed halo. Je tumope, na halo mo sa tumope halo. Je bisa bangke, it should be from within. Dili med halo, apa ang prinsipal? Bisa bangke.
so it's a great privilege for me to stand in front of you all. First of all, most respected father of Catholic Church, the reverend pastors of different church, and my dear brothers from different communities, brothers and sisters from Kurdish, Ragman. Today, I stand here on behalf of the Masa Student Union Karbianglong, representing the Masa community to the celebrations of International Day of Peace 2018. In fact, I'm not a good speaker, but regarding the peace, according to me, what is peace? Why we need peace? And why do we need peace? What is peace? And why do we have to claim for peace? When we go back to the past history of wars, when we see how this art came into pictures in this film, how beautiful the mother earth is, the mother nature is. But in return, we human beings have what we have given to mother nature. Or peace as a God-based structure. Are not we responsible for this destruction of peace? So we have to question ourselves. Then only we should try how to attain for peace. So, as we are from Hills district of Assam, so I will be sharing some of points, especially from the locality region. Have we ever counted ourselves that what we have taken to build peace? We have a society, but we have forgotten to make great society. So we have a beautiful culture, language, traditions, but we have forgot to unite it. We have forgot the spirit of brotherhood. So disturbance, as the Times itself it says that right to peace. So we have the right to peace.
I believe there's equal distributions in any films. Justice.
আজিকালি চব কাৰা হৈ গ'ল।
You may recall from the year 2000, I have been watching the developments of Abhyankara from 1985 onwards. We had violence in our society like many other places, the normal incidents of violence. There were political killings, or I don't want to blame any party, or there were political killings. But from the year 2002 to 2008, we see number of incidents taking place. It is because, well, we don't need to, we do not need to blame those factors, but we need to be aware. We need to be aware that we are living in a society where violence can take place anytime. Or you may say, oh, it is already gone. It happened in the past and it will not happen again. Let me remind. change our